welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you the cleaning of my drawer, which is full of dresses, and my accessories vanity. So I will be cleaning and arranging that, like I've told you a few weeks back when I was cleaning my shoes and bags closet. If you haven't seen that, it's somewhere here or here, or maybe in the Dropbox, so you can check that out after you've completely watched this video. But so I'm going somewhere right now, so I forgot to shoot the intro of this video. So I was going somewhere, so I thought this is the right time to shoot the intro. So I've already cleaned my drawer and the vanity, and let's not blabber much and show you what exactly I did, how exactly I did, and it was so satisfying. So let's begin with the video. So for the makeup, let me tell you, I've just finished filming another video, so it's about the giveaway. So till the time you'll be watching this, you've already seen the giveaway video. So this is my second video that I'll be filming, and I have 3 videos lined up to film today, so that will be quite hectic. Let me know if you guys want to see what all is there in each section, and I'll do it. But right now we'll focus on this drawer, which is for the dresses. Let me open it up and show you. So this is a huge drawer, and this is full of dresses, shorts, skirts and whatnot. The problem is that I'm not able to find it. It is so messy right now. These are all the I don't know what. Then I have a lot of it here, so it's quite messy. This is a really beautiful crop top, and this skirt is so beautiful. This is my favorite, and it has all the mesh detailing down below. Then I have my sexy dresses, then even more sexy. Then I have my winter wear. So let me pull all this out and throw it on the floor. Let's do it. Oh, I even have this. I almost forgot. So guys, if you haven't seen the cleaning of my closet of bags and shoes, you should definitely see that. It's in the description box. Let's start cleaning this now. So guys, what I'll do is I'm just gonna check first what all things I need and what I don't need. I'm going to line up everything here: shorts, dresses, winter wear, skirts, my gowns, everything, and then we'll put it back. So let me just arrange it here, and then we'll clean the drawer. The dress, this won't fit me. Just gonna pack it and keep it aside. Okay, so this is another dress that you would have seen it on my Facebook if you're added. This is one of my tube dresses. This is the red short dress. This is the one which I wore when I turned 21 on my birthday. So a lot of memories, and it's a beautiful dress. So this is like a party dress. Party dresses are going here. So these are again party dresses. So these are dry cleaned and wrapped, so I won't open it. You would have seen it in June favorites. If you want to go and see, you can. This is from Stock by Love. So this is an off-shoulder dress. Didn't get a chance to wear it again. This I'm wearing it definitely soon. Okay, this is another shorts. It's a woolen skirt. So skirts are going here. This is again a party dress. Oh my god, this is my favorite from all the collection that I have. And this is the one that I got for my anniversary. I don't know how to keep this. Comment down below and tell me a good way to keep this dress, because I don't want to spoil it. So right now I'm keeping it in a poly bag. I don't know if it will fit me, but this is too short. I don't know, because these dresses I've collected like from so long. These dresses are with me. If I tell you the year, you will be shocked. So I was in Germany from the time I was fond of collecting dresses. So it was year 2000, between 2011 to 2012. So that's the time these dresses are with me. The red one, this one. So it's been like what, 7 to 8 years, and I really don't want to throw them because they are so special and they are actually so good. So this is again a party dress. Okay, so this is a very normal random wear dress, like to go out with friends. So I'm just gonna keep it here. These are all the crop tops. I'm gonna keep it here. This is again a short skater dress. So this is not really a party dress, so I will keep it here. This is also not really a party dress. This is the Zurich dress, if you guys remember the Zurich blog. This is also a random wear. This dress I don't like at all. This I want to give it away to someone. This dress, darling, this is again from Germany 7-8 years back. So this is the dress. I wish I could wear each dress and show you, but darling, it is too difficult. Pink dress. It's like a party wear dress. I'm gonna keep it here. Oh, I have this also. I don't even remember. This is a formal wear. So this I'm going to keep it where? Put it here, and then we'll see. So this is the gown. Gown goes here. So this is the skirt. Keep this together. These shorts I want to give away. Oh, this is the dress that I wore on my last to last birthday. It's a black dress. Again a party wear. This is a skater dress, a regular wear, I think. I'll keep it here. This is most definitely a party dress. It might look simple, but it is so pretty. So this is the gown, goes here. Then I have my winter wear. So this is a beautiful dress and it fits so well. Why should I keep it? So this is again a gown. Party or regular? I think party. I'm gonna keep it in the regular wear. Brown and white, all tribal print. Shorts are going here. Dubai vlog. If you are following me and watching all my videos, you would know. I mean, you would see a dress and you would know which vlog is this. A regular wear. Then I have a skirt. Should I keep it or no? Let me know in the comment section below, because I am confused, because this is so comfortable and it is like a free size. Tribal print skater dress. It's going here. Now you should know which gown is this, okay? You've seen it in 2 vlogs. It's a beautiful dress, regular wear. Very good material. Mint blue winter dress. And the shorts? Don't tell me you don't remember this skirt. Maybe Terrific Tuesday?
So this is another crop top.
This is again a winter wear. This is a crop top.
The dress, my white denim shorts, and a skirt.
I'm gonna keep it here. I have everything packed. It was quick. So let's first clean the drawer and start filling in back with the dresses. So the things that I will not really wear will go to the extreme corner. Then these are my winter wear. Then I have the gowns, the skirts, the crop top. I will put it here. This is a party dress. I'm gonna keep it here, the anniversary one. Then here I have all my shorts. I think skirts, I will keep it with the shorts. Then here are all the party wear. So these are the party wear, and this is the regular wear. I think I'll be needing more space. I think this looks more decent and it's quite arranged. So there I have all the crop tops, and below that I have all the things that I will not wear. This is the winter wear. Below the red poly bag. The red poly bag has my anniversary dress. This is the party wear. These are gowns. These are skirts and shorts. And this is the regular wear. It gives me peace. So this is what I have. Now I'm planning to clean my vanity of accessories, but I think I'm just gonna have my lunch first and then do any of the cleaning. So these are 3 to 4 things that I've taken out and I don't really want. So I will be making kurkuri bhindi and eating that because I'm really craving for that. So guys, this is all the mess that I have. Guys, this is all the mess that is here. So what's my plan is to sort out the mess first. So all type of studs, I'm going to keep it one side. Then all the neck pieces would go one side. Let's just sort everything out here, and then I'm going to put it in my vanity. Everything is tangled. These are all the silver jewelry which will go one side. Neck piece, neck piece, neck piece, neck piece. neck piece. I'm going to put back all the stud earrings that I haven't lost till now, and I still have it. Go the other side. I'm just going to sort and pick out all my silver jewelry. All my hoop earrings would go one side. These are the good ones, like the delicate ones. Just gonna open it and show you. So I'm just gonna wrap this up and keep it in the packaging. I don't want to spoil it. Let me show you all my jewelry that I have sorted. So guys, that's all the Indian jewelry. Then we have the neck pieces. Then here I have an anklet of elephant, like it has small colorful elephants, and a joda pin. So then here I have more of fusion tassels earrings. Then I have one neck piece and two of the bracelets. Then I have the hoop earrings. Here I have mostly studs, and then here I have all the party wear. This is my favorite lot. So let's just start putting all of this in the vanity. So this is the beauty. So it opens up like this. Then it has a small mirror here and a compartment here, like not a compartment, more of a pocket. Then we have a little space in here. Then here we have the space to put the rings, but I have a separate box for all my rings. But instead of, I'm gonna put my studs or something else. We'll see about that. Then we have space here. Then we have 3 drawers. Drawer number 1, drawer number 2, drawer number 3, and that is how it closes. There is a secret pocket to the vanity. Let me show you. It opens up like this. Secret space so I can put my jewelry. So let's start filling in. Let's begin with the party wear. So let's just start from the bottom. This is the bottom drawer. So I'm just going to put all my party wear earrings in these 2 compartments. So the flat ones goes first, these ones, then the wrapped ones, then the delicate piece number 1 that I showed you goes into the thinner compartment, and it will stay alone because it is too delicate. Then goes these ones, then this, the flowers, and these 2 on the sides. Then the second delicate one goes on the top. So we are done filling these 2 compartments. The third one in the back, the hoop earrings and the bigger studs. These are all the neck pieces. Let's just see what all I need and what I don't need. So this I need most definitely. Let's just keep it aside. This I don't need. This I 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 don't need. This I need. This I don't need. This I don't need. This compartment, the bigger one, will have all my neck pieces. Goes on top. I'm just going to close this. Let's move on to the second drawer. So this has 2 compartments, the fat ones. So I'm going to fill one with my tassels. So this and this. The second one would have all my studs. Before we go to the third compartment, let's just sort out the Indian jewelry first. So easy to pick one jewelry from this because you can actually see the colors, the pattern and everything, and you don't really have to detangle from all the tangled jewelry. So once I have completely filled this, let's just fill this compartment. Let's just fill this with the remaining Indian jewelry. This goes here, then the flat ones, then this goes here, yellow ones, the pink ones, silver jewelry again, and then my anklet goes in here. So this is the third drawer, and I'm going to put 2 of my bracelets here, the Juda pin here. Let's see which one do we have a pair of, and I'm going to arrange it here. So I'm done with the cleaning of the jewelry. Let me give you the overview of the whole box now, how it looks. Alright then, so that was quite tiring and I felt so good after cleaning it. It is so comfortable, you know, once you have to go somewhere out and you don't really have to dig in all the clothes and find that perfect dress. You know exactly where you can find it and exactly which stack has what sort of dresses because you've arranged it in that way. So it was very satisfying, though it was very tiring. Also, all my accessories were dumped in the polythene and it was very difficult to take out because every time it used to get tangled and it was so difficult. So now it is all done nice and clean, and I hope that even you guys enjoyed watching the video and felt as satisfied as I did. If you are in the train of OCD, you would feel satisfied. Alright then, so that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next Friday then. Okay, bye.